morning. I received a PR package from Invictus Apparel and I'm really excited about this and I wanted to open it on camera. So let's get into it. I have not made a PR unboxing in so long and I cannot wait. So essentially my tattoo artist created their own athletic brand, which I think is brilliant, and I'm so excited to get into this. So it is 7:58 in the morning. I've already been to the gym today, so I am going to wear this to the gym tomorrow. But I usually do my booty days on Mondays, and because I knew that I was gonna get this, I'm gonna wait till my booty day for tomorrow. Did that make any sense? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Booty day is tomorrow, just because I really wanted to make sure that I gave an honest opinion on what is in this box. Do you also want to see what's inside? I want to see what's inside. Okay, so first of all, this box is really nice. Oh my God, this is so cool. I'm so excited. Welcome to the Crowned Crew. Fucking cool. Oh my God. Honestly, you guys, this is so exciting. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. I'm like trying to maintain my cool right now, but I am obsessed. I cannot wait. So there's leggings and they are super soft. They have a scrunch butt. We love a scrunch butt. Love the lion detail down the leg. Okay, you guys, this sports bra is to die for. It's so nice. I can tell already it's just gonna be nice and tight, fit everything. And the pads in it are actually like thick. Clark, you did a good job, buddy. These are solid. I cannot wait to get to the gym tomorrow. And then this is the last piece. I actually don't know what this is. I'm really excited, you guys, because these aren't even live yet. So I believe that he's going to launch his website in the next week. Keep posted and up to date on my Instagram, and I will make sure I let you guys know when Invictus is live for you to purchase as well. Oh my God. I'm so pumped. This is so soft. What is this material? Oh my gosh. It smells like lemon. What is happening? Hang on. Oh my God. This is amazing. I feel so good. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to see if these are squat proof tomorrow at the gym. I'm so excited. Invictus Apparel, thank you so much. I'll let you guys know when they launch. Bye.